Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to download Patreon videos and files for free. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into the video. You can see currently we have Patreon going up. This is basically a member's point of view, and this is that you want to download some content for free. So we have a couple of creators showing up in the dashboard, and of course there is a different type of content that they are sharing onto their platform, so you can check that out. But of course, to access that you are going to be needing to be paying a certain amount. So this is some creator stuff, and similarly we have multiple other stuff as well. You can see the thing which is posted here, and of course if you want to simply access the content, it is going to be paid, but you can try different stuff out using like I told in one of my previous video, where you can download a video downloading platform, but officially the platform does not allows you to download the Patreon videos and files for free. So that is actually not possible, and you should not waste time doing that kind of stuff, and it could affect your computer. Maybe you are going to be downloading some virus and stuff. So if you found this video interesting, make sure to comment down below. If you have any questions, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.